Plug power looks to be forming what is known as a inverse head and shoulders pattern, and this may signal a reversal in trend is upon us. Welcome back, everybody, to High Quality Trades, the channel where I provide top-notch technical analysis on the stock market, where we go over simple support and resistance levels, trend line breaks, and pattern formations. And I give you the price targets of where price is headed in the coming days. So in today's video, we will be going over plug power and what looks to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the daily time frame. So we're going to start this video off by going over the most recent price action here on the daily time frame. So today is October 3rd, and the most recent close of plug power was 216. It reached a high of 217 and a low of 201, and we were positive 4.85% on the day. Alright guys, so what is plug power currently doing? So as you see here on the charts, it looks to have an inverse head and shoulders. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder inverted. So what first needs to happen, if this is to be a confirmed inverse head and shoulders, we must break above the neckline here at 225. If plug power manages to break above this resistance level, that will confirm this head and shoulders pattern and a full measured move by draping the trend line from the neckline down to the bottom of the head and just hypothetically moving it over to the breakout point. This pattern ultimately signals for plug power to reach $2.93 in the coming days to weeks. This would also mean that we fill our down gap that's right here at that same level. It also coincides with the 200-day moving average right here. There's a lot of confluence in this area that also signals to me whether this is a reversal in trend pattern, because inverse head and shoulders have that power to ultimately change trend. But if that doesn't happen and all we get is a full measured move, that's really all we're looking for at this time. But if we are able to get above this 293 level, then the next resistance level the plug power would head up to is 334. This would ultimately start signaling the reversal in trend that I was just talking about, because at this point we would be making a new higher high above this previous high here. And to start a new uptrend after the long downtrend that this has been in, we're going to need to start making higher highs and higher lows for plug power to ultimately start uptrending. If we just go out for a second onto the weekly time frame, we will notice that plug power has fallen from its highs something like 93%. 97% actually. I believe that Plug Power has spent enough time downtrending that it is time for price to start rising again. So ultimately, we will just have to see whether or not this head and shoulders pattern is going to break out to the upside or downside. If it was to break, say, to the downside, we could use the same measured move and just drape it down to the break. So say if we were to break this trend line in a drastic fashion and start closing daily candles below this trend line, then this would look more like an ascending triangle pattern, which by taking a measured move from the opening over here and moving it over to the break would signal that plug stock would fall to new lows at $1.43. I'm leaning more bullish, but I always wait for confirmation before entering a trade. So don't just take my word. Let's just wait and see what the charts tell us. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching High Quality Trades, and I'll see you in the next video.